This problem is a challenge for white. It is not very easy because white has many options in this corner, and black has a more advantageous position because black is essentially occupying the corner and potentially has eye space, whereas white only has 4 liberties left. And it's not super clear how white can reduce the eye space and reduce black's liberties at the same time. So please make sure that you try out some of the variations on your own before listening to my explanation. So one of the first moves to try might be this. But if white plays here, then black will just block here. And now this is already hard to kill. If white plays this, then black can make an eye here, and this is really annoying. White similarly can make an eye. And this will likely be a seki. For the purpose of this problem, I'll just have black stand down here, and this will be a seki. White cannot capture black, because black has made an eye here, and white has also made an eye here. And of course, if white plays something inside, then black can make a bulky 5 shape, which has 8 liberties, and white only has 4, so white will fail this way, because this eye space is simply too big. Playing here also doesn't seem to work, because black can potentially live like this, or white can start this ko. But again, this ko is really bad for white. White will have to keep coming up with ko threats. It cannot really connect now because black will once again threaten to capture white. So this is not a good ko for white. And the answer to this problem is not a ko. So number 1 here is also eliminated. So the correct move for white is this one. It's a really neat move that kind of reduces black's influence on the corner. And black doesn't really have a good answer for it. So if black blocks from this side, white can simply bend here on the first line, threatening to connect with number 1. And black can really just play this. And all of a sudden, this is a 3 liberties versus 3 liberties situation. And white can play here at 2-1. And now black only has 2 liberties left, while these 2 white stones and these 4 white stones both have 3 liberties left. And black will die this way. So number 2 doesn't really work. If black 2 is here, then white needs to be a little careful. It's tempting to play here on the first line, this bend. If this is the result, then it will be similar to the previous variation, where black only has 2 liberties left, whereas the 2 white groups each has 3 liberties. But black number 4 can be this throw in. It's a very effective move to start a ko. So a ko can be started this way or this way. So this ko will be pretty annoying for white. So in order to prevent this ko, white needs to stand down here at number 3. If black plays here, then we'll be back to one of the previous variations where white succeeds. Black's strongest move is to play here without occupying its own liberties. So black has 2 extra liberties here, has 4 in total. 1 and 3 only has 3 liberties in total. And now white needs to be a little careful. If white is not careful, then white can still die. The key move is to play this bend on the outside. Now this can guarantee white's success. Black cannot allow white to occupy number 7, like this. So black must block white, like this. White connects. And now if black plays from the outside, white can play here first. And black will be captured either way, like this. If black connects, white can still play here. And black will die this way, after white's number 11. If black plays here, then again, white needs to be careful. White can come in like this. And now black must play this snapback to capture 1 and 3. White connects on the outside. Black occupies white's liberties on the outside. White attaries, black captures, and now apparently white should not play this inside liberty. because this will allow black to capture white. White should throw in here first. If black captures, and now white wins. If black plays on the outside, then white can still win. So throwing in at number 13 is very important. So these are all the variations white can succeed after 1, 3, and 5. So overall, a pretty complicated pattern. Make sure you understand all the variations. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment below. Good luck, and thank you for watching.